When you were a baby, you were likely vaccinated to prevent infectious diseases such as polio. Have you ever wondered how these life-saving vaccinations came to be? Before introducing a new drug or vaccination for human use, it first needs to be tested on non-human animals such as monkeys. Although we've made many technological advances, certain diseases cannot be modeled in computer simulations or even other animals, which is why 200,000 monkeys are used in research annually worldwide. Typically, they are born in special breeding centers and are reared outdoors with their mothers and peers or indoors with their mothers, and sometimes they are reared alone. After infancy is over, they'll remain either outdoors or indoors until they are pulled into a research project that can vary from non-invasive behavioral research to more invasive research that may require handling, isolation, blood sampling, and surgery. But because each monkey is worth thousands of dollars, they're rarely used in just one study. Up to 80% are reassigned to new projects, and many experience 5 or more projects in their lifetime. So, several events occur in laboratory monkeys' lifetimes that are both good for their welfare, such as spending time outside or with other monkeys, and bad for their welfare, such as being restrained or blood sampled. Collectively, these experiences are known as lifetime welfare. At the moment, there are no objective measures of lifetime welfare. So for my PhD, I plan to see whether 3 types of abnormal behaviors can be used to indicate whether or not an adult monkey has good or poor lifetime welfare. The first is abnormal repetitive behavior, such as pacing back and forth. The second is depressive-like behavior, such as a hunched posture. The third is self-injurious behavior, like self-biting. Right now, I have access to lifetime records for more than 5,000 monkeys from 2 major US research centers. These show me every event these animals have experienced, both good and bad. Using these records, I'll use powerful statistical tools to see whether these behaviors reflect poor lifetime welfare and whether there are types of housing or personality that prevents an animal from displaying such abnormal behaviors. I'm sure we can all agree that there is room for improving these animals' welfare. This is where my research comes in. Laws require scientists to consider monkeys' lifetime welfare, but no one actually knows how to do this. If I find that any of these behaviors accurately reflects the sum of all good and bad experiences a monkey has been through, then that behavior will indicate to a laboratory technician how their animals are coping during an experiment. I might even find housing practices or personality types that make animals resilient and able to cope better. These results will be submitted for consideration for national and international guidelines on laboratory animal use, thereby improving the welfare of tens of thousands of laboratory monkeys worldwide.